Welcome to another recipe edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. Mwah.
Mwah.
We have what today? You're making me, we're gonna have to make this short because it's all right. Karen just gave me a taste and it is incredible. Lemon, caper, chickpea farfalle.
Excellent. That's so good.
She's saying excellent because the farfalle, I wanted to pronounce that right. I call them bow ties.
Exactly. These are the, it's the bow ties, pasta in the shape of bow ties. You can certainly use penne or whatever pasta that you like. And if you are gluten-free, you can use a gluten-free pasta. This particular dish is not gluten-free, so unfortunately I won't be enjoying it with Jeffrey.
You don't eat pasta anyway. Don't kid anyone out here.
Well, that's not true because I make a gluten-free lasagna.
Oh, that's true. You'll eat that, yes.
Recipes, different
that is
ways,
true, yes.
And it is so good. I really do love a good gluten-free pasta. So these are the ingredients that I used to make it. Essentially, I took about a half of a bag of the farfalle and I put it into my saucepan, filled it with water, and once the farfalle was just about done, I added in some organic frozen broccoli, and you can absolutely use fresh. We're using a lot of frozen vegetables right now with the virus going on. I just feel like it's easier for me to know that I don't have to worry about germs.
Makes sense.
And if I am using fresh, it's usually like a triple wash product, and I haven't seen that for broccoli yet. I would also add garlic in here, but we don't have any. So, note that if you're a garlic person like we are, go ahead.
We're still running pretty lean. We're quarantined, so we're not really going out to the grocery store. So I'm gonna back you up, and I know normally you have garlic and all that stuff, but we're making things work.
Always. So again, I cooked this in the saucepan with the water. As soon as it was, I'm gonna say 85% done. I didn't drain it. I didn't have that much water in it, and you'll see I did a wide saucepan. I added in my broccoli, and you can use as much broccoli as you want. You could also use peas if you prefer, any vegetable, but it is delicious with broccoli. And then what I did was I put in, this is the Nutritional Yeast. I put in 2 very good sized teaspoons of Nutritional Yeast.
And what does the yeast add?
The yeast just adds a great flavor, almost a sort of cheesy type flavor.
Definitely a good flavor, but it adds something else that we're not getting.
Well, yes. So Nutritional Yeast has a great amount of protein, believe it or not. And
I do believe it.
Yes, so it's always great for all vegan cooking. And then I also added the, I had made these chickpeas. You can see there's a bay leaf in there. This particular batch I did cook with a bay leaf and some other spices. And I added the chickpeas in for additional protein into our meal. This is empty, but this was about 3/4 full, a half to 3/4 full of the capers. And normally I buy the organic capers, but again, we are in the middle of COVID virus and we're using what we can. I used about a teaspoon of salt, and that might be a lot for some people. So if you want to lighten it up, go right ahead. And then I used about a tablespoon of pepper because I love pepper and lemon together. I used a teaspoon of mustard, and stone ground is a great mustard to put in there. Gives it just a little zest. We love everything spicy, so I put a huge sprinkling of crushed red peppers on there. And then the last ingredient was the lemon juice. And I I didn't measure it, and I know people don't love that I cook that way, but I do a lot by tasting. I put about 1/4 to a half a cup of lemon juice in. Start with 1/4 cup, and if that's not enough lemon flavor, go ahead and add some more. You can absolutely add oil to this, but we are doing a no oil version tonight. That's it, and let's see how it looks. And I know Jeffrey's starving. So
yeah, I know, it looks great. Well, it tastes great. You gave me taste. I was setting up a
So let's
video
see.
call and you gave me a little taste
Ooh.
test, but it was incredible. So it looks awesome.
Looks good. Let me give you a little taste with one of everything. Let's see, ooh, I can't get that. It might be too hot. Let's see.
Could be.
I don't know. What do you think?
It's very good.
Is it good?
Yeah, very good. I think it's time to sit down to dinner.
All right. Well, wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from the kitchen at Copper Mountain.
Nice.